for Halloween.
It's time for Halloween. So we're gonna put a little bit of makeup on Presley's face. She's been begging me, and since it's Halloween, you want that? I don't know if we're gonna put anything on your eyes, because what if it makes your eyes burn?
No, it is not.
It won't? You don't think so?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of makeup on her. Okay, so we have a little bit of shimmer on her face. Now we're gonna put some stuff on her lips. Look at me.
Press. Do you think you're gonna be a unicorn?
Oh, you look beautiful, Presley. Look how cool his costume is. Turn around. Let's see your wings. Nice. Very cool. Here's Presley in her costume. She's a unicorn. So cute. It says, believe in magic. He's a dinosaur. It's funny, huh?
Let me see your candy. How much candy you got? Oh, hey.
It's raining, but we're having fun. Ooh, it's scary. What'd you get? Nice.
Hey, Mom. Dad, guess what?
What?
That is a Mustang.
That is a Mustang. Good job, buddy. Come on, we can walk by it. We won't go over there if you don't want to. You want Daddy to take you up there? Good job, Bub. See, not a big deal. Not a big deal.
You're my favorite. Pikachu? Yeah. And you have my favorite bug.
Look at him. He's scary. Presley, is that heavy?
Guess what? Guess what? I pet a doggy bear.
Oh, you did. You ready? She is doing her thing this year.
This is a ghost.
You see a ghost? Ooh, scary.
Guys, are you going trick or treating? What's your costume?
Yeah, what's your costume this year? What were you dressed up as? Tell us.
Tell us in the comments.
Is it too heavy? No? Okay. She will not let me hold her basket. She finally let me carry her bucket. It is pouring rain, but we're having fun. Are we having fun? Run! It's Halloween! There's the peanuts. Let's go. Bye. Say thank you.
I want that.
You pet the doggy. She's wearing down. It is pouring rain. Ooh, looky there. What did you guys get? You got a drink?
Yeah.
Look how soaked we got. You're soaked, Bubba. What was your favorite part about trick-or-treating?
I like getting candy.
You like getting the candy, the treats. Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
It rained really hard. It rained really hard. But you know what? You guys stuck it out and we had a great time, didn't we? I hope that you guys had a great Halloween and get some fun treats and some candy and have fun costumes.
Guys,
Now
guess
give
what?
it a thumbs up.
Guess what?
So White just said something really funny. Say it again.
If you eat too much sugar, you get diabetes.
You get diabetes if you eat too much sugar.
So when you get diabetes,
Not that diabetes is a joke, but he's a kid and he doesn't know what it is, and it was funny.
and diabetes means you get diarrhea.
No, that's not what it means at all.
Nine.
Night-night. We're going to go to bed. I hope you had a happy Halloween. These two kids are super tired, as you can see. We had a great time trick-or-treating.